Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Hey guys, well yesterday while my son was actually practicing baseball, I brought my Traxxas two-wheel drive at the skate park, and I was having fun for a good 15-20 minutes just jumping and all that, and then I decided to hand the camera to a little kid that was there, which I don't know, but to videotape what I was doing because I was doing some good landing and some good air. So 30 seconds into it, this is what happened. Have fun. Okay, I'm gonna try that again.
Oh!
There's something missing. And, the bearing, the inner bearing actually gave out. So the wheel popped out. So nothing, that second bearing wasn't there, so it just popped out, so I'll just replace the bearing. And just a small little tiny jump, landed wrong on the tire, and pop, it popped out. So there's the broken bearing. Yeah, that's why it came out.
Why?
So I hope you guys enjoyed this little 33 seconds of bashing, and we'll talk to you later. And I'll put a new bearing in this thing. My poor little two-wheel drive slash.